everyone, it's Mama Does Nails and welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year! Yes guys, it's the 4th of January and I am bringing you Glam 25 collection from Madam Glam. I hope that you all have an amazing rest of your year. I wish all your dreams and aspirations come true, and I'm wishing you and your family more health, more strength, more life, all that good stuff. So today guys, I have some polishes to swatch, and yes, both my hands are done. Now I have left 1, 2, 3, 4 nails out, and I am sorry that they're a bit dry because I could not cream my hands, and I'm going to be using something from in this box on those 4 nails. Might even put some on the rest, we'll see. So without further ado, I'm going to tell you about this collection and then we're going to get into it. Now sadly, I only have 5 of the gels from this collection. One of them is actually a surprise. I'll tell you about it when we get to that. But there is one just due to unforeseen circumstances happening at the warehouse. So I do apologize. This is the color Timeless Beige, so this is the only one I actually do not have. However, I do have the others. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about this collection. As the winter frost blankets the world and a new year begins, each shade reflects the fresh start and endless possibilities of the season. So 6 soak-off gels, that's what we have this month. And I can't wait to swatch them. So it said this January we are starting fresh with the Glam 25 collection, from embracing exciting opportunities to celebrating personal growth. These trendy, refreshing shades will keep your nails perfectly polished every new moment ahead. I absolutely love that. So guys, we're going to go into the polishes that I do have and we're going to swatch them and just see how beautiful they are. And I've got discount codes on screen, guys. Please feel free to use them and share them and save them for when you're ready to purchase, because you can save yourself 35%. Okay, swatch sticks are ready. Let's get into Glam 25. So the first one I'm going to go into, and I do apologize, my hands are dry, but I have not finished doing my nails. We're going to go into Festive Cherry. I'm going to show you what this looks like. Oops. Oh, this is a stunning shade. Wow, Festive Cherry. Now this is bold and this is such a warm color. So I'm going to swatch this Festive Cherry. Oh, I love this. Very thick, very creamy, and so super opaque. This is definitely a creamy polish, and I'm here for this. Festive Cherry, stunning shade. So I'm just going to go in with another thin coat of this Festive Cherry, and the brush is that rounded one that we all love. Just helps the polish just glide on so beautifully. So I'm going to cure that. So after that thin second coat and Madam Glam's No White top coat, this is how Festive Cherry looks. So beautiful, so vibrant, such a rich color, honestly. So we're going to swatch Winter Mist. Oh, this is a nice shade of green. Oh, so sorry. Like mint. Look at that. But this reminds me of the colour of my bathroom. Taupe. That's the colour of my bathroom, but this is probably just a shade lighter. Now this is another rich formula, creamy formula. super opaque. I mean, you can get away with one coat coverage, but for the sake of the swatches, I'm doing 2 thin coats just to show you how they look. Winter Mist, gorgeous. So after a second thin coat, this is how Winter Mist looks. And I have top coated that now. It's so beautiful. Rich and creamy. It's such a cozy color. Okay, so we are going to get into Times Square. Wow. And this is a purple variant. Another rich, creamy purple. I'm going to go ahead and swatch Times Square. And it's a nice shade of purple. There are definitely tones of blue and even grey. Priya said these are like Mirandy colours, and I love them. That's after one thin coat. Times Square is gorgeous. After a second thin coat, this is how Times Square looks. So, so beautiful, rich and warm. And I'll definitely say it's definitely got the purple. I can see blues. Stunning colour. And after putting some no wipe top coat, it just looks stunning. Ooh. These colours are so beautiful and rich already. So the last colour I'm going to swatch is Frosted Lavender. Get that opened and show you what this looks like. So true to lavender. Oh my gosh. So I'm going to just swatch this. Get some of that gel off my brush because that was too much. But the formula of Madam Glam's creamy polishes are just perfect. It's not running off the nail. I had time to adjust and take off some of the polish, some of the gel, all that excess. And again, you can definitely get one coat coverage. I'm literally just doing 2 just to show you at full opacity what it looks like. Wow, this is gorgeous. This is how Frosted Lavender looks after 2 thin coats and some no wipe top coat. So, so beautiful, guys. This is the last one I am going to swatch. I mean, Timeless Beige is definitely the missing piece of this puzzle, because when I show you how they all look, you can, you know, automatically see where the beige, Timeless Beige, is going to be in this collection. So stunning. Now, this is how they look with a no wipe top coat. I have gone ahead and matted the bottom side of the nails, so you can see how it looks in matte. So, so muted. So stunning. So I do still have a no wipe top coat to swatch. It's called Sparkle On. So I cannot wait to swatch this. It's so beautiful, and this is what I want to have, oh my goodness, on my nails. So I'm going to swatch this beautiful no wipe top coat for you to see, and it looks like a jellyfish in a bottle. Oh my gosh. It's really, really beautiful, and everything's sparkly. And just what I love, oh, the glitters in there, the shimmer. I love the gold, and I can see pink. I'm going to show you what this stunning top coat looks like. Oh my days, look at that. Now I just want to turn the flash off and look at it. Now we're testing. I still love that. So sparkly. So look at how Sparkle On looks. Such a beautiful no white top coat. I'm going to use this on all my nails. Yes, so stunning. So this, added with everything else, you just have such a beautiful, I mean, just imagine the beige in there. It's a perfect collection. So I'll definitely be back to do a set using some of these gorgeous colors. Again, when I see these colors, I just think of all the abstract art that you could muster. So I have some of that sparkle on this thumb. You can see it's not going to take away from my design. And I wanted to do something very short because I'm going to a children's birthday party over the weekend. So I didn't want anything too long, but I also wanted something that was screaming party and New Year, and I love pink, and you know, I've got a bit of Madam Glam with me, and this is the kind of top coat that would be perfect on any manicure, especially if you were just, say for instance, just going to paint your nails and then just use this as the top coat. You could use it on a few nails and then, you know, use the normal no white top coat on the others, you know. So I love this special effects type of top coats because they just add a whole extra party to your nail design. My new best friend. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Here are how the swatches look again. Honestly, so beautiful, and in matte, so muted and stunning. Thank you all again. Enjoy the rest of your day, and more wishes. I'm wishing more wishes to you and your family and your loved ones. I have put some top coat on those nails. Sparkle On looks absolutely stunning. So it's going to go with my set, giving all the party vibes. All right, guys, feel free as well to use and share the discount codes on screen. And this top coat's going to be my new best friend. All right, guys, take care. Bye.